So good morning. Hey you guys, it's naturally Aint here, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And if you've been here before, welcome back, Nia Moore. We're in the car with it, and it's a car chat video. And what I'm doing right now kind of goes against what I'm about to say, because like what I'm about to say just came from me as I was driving. Somebody ran a red light and I was like, And recently I just got like hella tickets, y'all. So that's why I had to put my giveaway on pause, because I had to pay these tickets, and I'm not trying to be like worrying about tickets and going to court and stuff like that, because I had to, like, I don't want to do that no more. I don't want to do it ever again. And that's why I should probably put my phone down right now, and I should probably invest in another car stand if I'm going to continue to do these car chat videos, and also use my GPS and also listen to music as I drive. But what I'm saying is, and then after the person ran the red light, I got to a corner where the sign says no turn on red, and I turned, and I know that that's there, but I always turn. Well, I don't always turn right there, but a lot of times I forget that that's there, and I turn anyway, and the police don't be around, and like I really never saw anybody get pulled over for not doing that, and that's where what I thought comes in. So just because I've never seen anybody get pulled over right there for, not stopping at that red light and turning at that red light, even though it says no turn on red, I never saw nobody get pulled over from that. But just because I never saw it doesn't mean that it's not possible, and that it hasn't happened, and that it can't happen to me. So, there's a phrase that says stay ready so you don't gotta get ready, and that goes along with what I've been telling my dance students, like what I've been just trying to teach certain people, and what people have been trying to teach me, like stay ready so you don't have to get ready. It's more than what you might think it is, because it can be used for everything. Like, stay practicing the law so that when it comes down to it, you're not the one caught up. Like, don't get in the habit of doing things the wrong way and then let it catch up to you. Like, get in the habit of doing things the right way, so that you're not flipping around trying to be prepared for something that's already there. Like, let's take this coronavirus for example. At the end of last year and a couple months ago, like in January, like I felt like a lot of people around me was talking about getting right with God and getting their life together, getting their spirit right. Not even just like my friends or anything, but just like, I don't know, like I feel like a lot of people ended up saying it, and a lot of people was just like, I hope you friends with the Lord, like I hope you woke, like all these kind of things, saying stuff like that. And then boom, something happens, a whole viral tragedy is going on, and shit is getting, I just cussed, and things are getting shut down, and we going into quarantine and all this stuff, and people are freaking out. And a couple months, like one of the last plans that I finished last year, or at the beginning of this year, was how to stop worrying and how to stop fearing and things like that. And now in this time, I feel like I read that for a reason, and the reason was for me to come and tell people, like, hey, don't be afraid. Like, I understand that this virus is serious and it's causing death, but it's not causing you to die. Like, chill out. If you get sick, take care of yourself like you supposed to. Like the whole thing that we've been doing, ever since the beginning of time. When we get sick, we supposed to rest. And that's another plan that I read on the Bible app, like making time to rest. And oh my goodness, I just said this in my video for these braids, but clearly I can't stress it enough, because people are so stressed out about a virus that they haven't even come in contact with yet. Like you guys are so afraid of coming in contact with it that you're gonna scare yourself into something else. Like, chill. Listen to what people are saying. Listen to what people are telling you to do. Like, don't just do what you think you should do. Like, I don't understand what buying tissue had to do with anything, but you know, I personally didn't understand that. But when I, you know, talk to other people, they're like, oh, well, you got to think about, you know, people who got big households, a lot of people that live in a house, a lot of family members. They, for 2 weeks you gonna be in quarantine, you don't know how much tissue you gonna need. But then it comes to thinking about the other stuff that wasn't empty from the shelves. Like, y'all wasn't buying soap, y'all wasn't buying, well, shoot, I guess your soap is gonna last longer than 2 weeks, but you know, somebody posted the condoms in the aisle. Y'all about to be cooped up for god doggone 2 months, and y'all about to get pregnant. Like, shoot, y'all better be careful out here. So practice doing things right so you don't get caught up, okay? Hope y'all not okay. But for real though, like, stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. Get right with the Lord so you don't have to be at the pearly gates like, oh my God, let me come in, and then we gonna be in there like, I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Okay. I'm so, dog, I don't know what's wrong with me sometimes. You know, you comic relief. But for real, like, stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. Always. Practice doing what's right so that when something goes wrong, you ain't on the other end. You ain't on the other side. Be on the side of the righteous. It's crazy how you just, you know, figure out what things mean as life goes on. Like, the smallest things, y'all, the smallest things that just seem like the smallest things to you are probably just way bigger than you even think it is. And the things that you think are just monumental and huge, it don't matter. It do not matter. Pay attention to the small things. And on that note, I'm out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. I hope you gained something from it, because that's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to fill y'all cup up, because, you know, I learned how to fill my own cup at this point. I learned how to do that. I do appreciate those around me who fill my cup up as well. You know, those are the people you hold near and dear to your heart, and I have a lot of those. And I thank God for them every day. And I thank God for my life every day. I thank God for my job. Because while y'all is out here off from work, whoa, I don't see any cars outside of my job. Oh, there's one. Okay, because I was about to be like, ha, another day? But anyway, while everybody else is off from work, I'm out here getting this money, and I'm happy because I just know that in the wintertime when we had our winter break, boy, I was off for 2 weeks, and that 2 weeks was a whole pay period. So guess who didn't get paid for basically a month? Me. So I never want to be in that situation again. So that was another thing that happened to me that really was like, all right, bitch. I almost said the whole word, but I stopped myself. But that had me like, okay, it's time to stop playing. Stay ready so you ain't got to get ready. We got to save up. And then I got all these business ideas coming to my mind. I done got my CDA. I'm ready. I'm out here. I'm ready to get this money, okay? I told y'all, I'm on a paper chase. And it's not just for the paper. I need the paper to get my stuff started. Like, I also really feel like it's important to know that money should not be your only focus in life. Like, yes, we do need money to get the things that we need and stuff like that. Like, yeah, but know that money is not your source. God is. And on that note, I'm really done this time. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, a comment if you're feeling yourself. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see y'all in the next video.